Facility managers may want to view sensors displayed on a floor plan. FacilityBot Sensor Maps feature let facility managers monitor the location of sensors on a map. FacilityBot allows managers to place, edit, and remove sensor points. Managers can also set the condition so the color of the dots changes depending on the latest value of the sensor. To use this feature, log into FacilityBot portal. Go to Integrations, then Sensors. Click on Sensor Maps. Click on the plus button to create a floor plan. Give your new floor plan a name and upload a floor plan image. Click on plus Add Sensor Point to place the sensor on the floor plan. Select a sensor from the drop-down menu and enter the conditions. You can set sensor colors based on the sensor parameter conditions. For example, for an indoor air quality sensor, you could set the sensor color to be red if the level of CO2 is larger or equal to 1000, and green if the level of CO2 is lower than 1000. Once the conditions have been set, place the sensor on the floor plan by clicking anywhere on the picture. Once placed, you can view the sensor on the floor plan and the color of the sensor will change depending on the last data point received from the sensor. For example, if I send a test data point for this sensor of CO2 level higher than 1000, the sensor color is now red.